Wall Street bounced back on Wednesday as investigators shrugged off the news of an impeachment inquiry into President Donald Trump, while Nike shares jumped on unbeat quarterly results. At closing bell, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 0.6% to end trading at 26,971. The S&P 500 gained just about that much, and the Nasdaq Composite added 1.1%. Now, on the local bourse, South Korean stocks dropped by more than 1% on Wednesday, ending a run of 13 consecutive sessions of gains amid escalating woes over a potential impeachment investigation into President Trump. The benchmark KOSPI dropped to 1.3% to close at 2073, while the tech-heavy Kazakh shed 2.4% to end the trading session at 627. Now, oil prices dropped about 2% on Wednesday, logging a second straight day of losses after U.S. crude inventories unexpectedly rose and on worries that demand could fall after President Trump's comments about trade talks with China. Brent crude shed more than 1% to $62.42, while the U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude fell 1.3% to end trading at $56.52 a barrel.